Hi, I'm Mark. I'm with a company called Energy Neutral Solutions. I'm here today to talk to you about a phenomenal product called Inflector. But let's just take a little step back. I'm also here to talk to you today about glass and glass insulation. But let's start with the building structure. As you know, with a building structure, there are many things involved. You start with the design process, then you go through the assembly process. With that assembly process, all the products come together to combine to create the building or the building envelope. Obviously, floors, walls, we look at ceilings, we look at all those holes in that structure. They're known as fenestrations. Now, the fenestrations are a thermal hole in a building. And what do? We normally fill those holes with glass. All those buildings are actually made from glass. Our biggest problem, glass, is the poorest insulating product that we have, but it's the cheapest, so therefore we use it. What solution have we got to insulating this product? I believe we have a solution here, and let me demonstrate that for you. Now, there are 4 ways of which heat is transferred through glass. Now, there's 2 that go hand in hand. One, conduction and convection, so they both go hand in hand. There's also air infiltration, but the largest one is radiation. This product attenuates those 4 ways of heat gain, but ultimately it attenuates radiation. So in front of me now, I have a fenestration kit. Now, it's the Australian Fenestration Council approved kit, and it's for measuring internal attachments for glass and for any other blind product that might be introduced to glass to try and help insulate the glass product. Currently now, that meter is reading 100% of the heat from the heat source. So let's start off with your home, your office, your building, your high-rise, 1 pane of glass. Okay, so currently that pane of glass is blocking out around about 20% heat. We've still got 80% of the heat coming through. Okay, now there's also a product around which I'm sure you've heard about, and it's double glazed glass. So here we go, let's put a piece of double glazed glass in and see what it does. Blocking out around about 35% of the heat. Still got 65% of the heat coming through. Now, let's go to the most expensive glass on the market, double glazed low E, low emissivity. So we'll put that in. It's blocking out around about 45%. Now, just to show you how poorly glass insulates, let's just put in every piece of glass that I have. So currently I've got 5 pieces of glass. I've got 2 sealed air gaps, 2 open air gaps. And as you can see by the meter, it's blocking out around about 70%. So you've still got, 28% of the heat is still coming through. A very expensive exercise if this is the path you wish to go down. I'll just remove the 2 double pane glasses and let's just go back to our single pane glass. Here's the product Inflector. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this, we're still reading about 70, let's just check that. Okay, I'm going to recalibrate that as the light heats up. Single pane of glass blocking out around 20% of the heat. Still 80% is coming through. Let's just put our pane of Inflector in. Straight up you can see the difference. It's blocking out around about 80% once it's retrofitted to the glass. We also have a heavier duty product, the SR15, which will block out, let's see, it's blocking out around 90% of the heat. So therefore, you've only got around about 10% of the heat coming through. This product insulates the whole building, increases that thermal comfort, increases the integrity of the whole air conditioning system, reducing your electricity costs, and also keeping everyone happy. Now, there's 3 main ways that we install this product: roller blinds, panels, and verticals. If you're curious, please contact me on my website or give me a call. I'm very happy to speak to you about this product further.